Hey everyone, so we have a very promising looking supercell on top of me, and I did see some rotation near me, and it was probably broad, but it was an anticyclonic rotation. And oh my god, there's lightning all over the place. Oh wow. I captured a lot of lightning bolts. It was pretty lit. Oh my god. All right. You have a very strong supercell in this area. It has a potential of producing a brief tornado, but we don't know what it's going to do right now. But I guarantee it's going to produce hopefully something here. This is my first time chasing right here. I did chase in Illinois, but it was broad. I mean, it was a buzz, but nothing happened. But there is stuff happening in this area right here, and we have a massive supercell on top of me, like I said. And I'm gonna get hit again by another supercell that's like way back here. There's another one, and I hope I can get. Oh man, a little windy. Anyways, I'll let you know what I captured. So yeah, I'll see you later. Beautiful shelf cloud, everyone. This is possibly one of the best looking storms right now. It's moving possibly over this way or that way. We'll never know what's gonna happen. This is producing some very strong winds up to maybe like around like 50 to 60 miles an hour. Temperatures are right to sustain very strong winds. So we'll be driving to maybe Kimswick and see what this does. I mean, right now it's just around 50 to 60 miles an hour. And it's coming this way, isn't it? Wow, look at that. That is beautiful. All right, it's starting to rain too. I possibly might need to head towards the towards the north a little bit. Wow. That is beautiful. Lots of lightning being produced in that shelf cloud right now. This might have damaging winds in there. It's trying to come over here. And I saw like a scan to where. Yeah, it's really beautiful. Yeah. This is what I want to be when I grow up. Woo! That man just told me there's a shelf cloud. That's coming this way. So that man, like he said, this is a shelf cloud coming straight towards me, and we also have a wall cloud that's really trying to produce some tornadic activity here. So we'll see what's going to happen. So we'll be waiting for a little bit to see what it does. Yes! Gotta get the... There. This is all damaging winds and hail. This is gonna hit me. Possibly dead on. Oh wow. This thing is, oh wow. Stay safe, okay? Wow. All right, I gotta go. Time. Oh man, very strong winds. Oh wow. Oh man, all right. Oh my Lord. Okay. you didn't notice, we have possible hail the size of peas. If you don't notice them, I mean, it's hard because my windows are wet and I can't unroll my window because I don't want to get myself wet or anything. So we have hail the size of peas raining down from the sky. It's not like baseballs or anything like that, thankfully, but yeah, I feel like another new round of severe weather is going to happen in St. Louis, and this is just going to be the final part of me surviving or storm chasing this insane storm that approached my area. So yeah, it did try to produce, it was tornadic, but unfortunately, oh no, something happened possibly. Oh no. Hopefully it's not part of the storm. I think it was, because it was, the gusts were like around like 60 to 70 mile per hour winds. It was nuts. Anyways, I'll talk to you all next time. I'll see you on the next chase, actually. See ya. See ya, everyone.